How do you subscribe on a video on the iPhone? Let me explain the whole process quickly. If this is your first time here, most definitely become part of the community and I'm going to show you exactly how. But yeah, okay, so let's say that you are watching any video on the platform. The way that it works is that it shows up like in the screen right there, and you can see that it behaves exactly the same for any type of content, but you just want to play something in the full screen, and at the bottom you can see the information about the notifications and subscribe. So you can see right there that the subscribe button is most definitely right here below the video, so you can always click on it and it's going to give you the ability to just stay tuned with that channel and you're not gonna like miss the upcoming videos. Okay, the way that it works also is that you not only click on it that because you once you tap the button, it changes. There's a little animation and it shows the bell icon. And now you can even decide that if you get notifications from that channel as well. So that's the thing you probably heard about the like bell notification. So you can decide that all of their uploads will be notified to you and delivered as notifications or only personalized, where you let your behavior and like the app decide which videos you might be interested in. This probably works the best. And then there also you have the none option, so you don't have to get any notifications from that channel at all. So that is the option that you have available in here. I really hope that I can help you out with it. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you then.